Good morning. So I just woke up and I'm gonna get my workouts in and bathe because the mama is up. It's we actually got up about 5 o'clock, but I've been relaxing, trying to go back to sleep. For a bit I forgot to film. That says since I'm up and I need the content, I might as well go ahead and do it. So let's go. We're gonna work out first. Yeah. Sunday morning. It's actually February 26th. And as I said before, we woke up at 5, but now it's after 7, and I normally start my morning off by getting dressed for my workout, and then I'll make my protein shake and have that for breakfast and drink it while I'm working out. I typically add oats, banana or apple, or banana and apple, this vegan protein powder, my nuts. It's sunflower seed, almond seed, and pumpkin seed, and milk. I normally use regular almond milk, but we ran out and I didn't want to open the other one. Since the chocolate one is already open, I'm just going to use chocolate, and that's it. So little mama is up with me too. She normally joins me with the workout. Today is Sunday, as I said before, so today is the girls' wash day. Routines, I have to wash and braid their hair. I typically, after this, by then my oldest will be up and I've made breakfast for them and myself. My husband is on the night shift, so when he gets home in the morning, he typically fix something for himself before he goes to sleep if he's hungry. If not, then he'll just go bathe and go to sleep. Try to clean up as I go along, like for us putting back the appliances in place and the stuff that I use to make my smoothie, just to make life easier for me after I'm done, not to give me any extra work. And then I'm going to ride with Alex. Typically, sometimes I just ride with anybody, but I like riding with Alex. His ass is crazy. My husband introduced me to him and I haven't looked back since, but I enjoy his workouts and his motivation when he's talking to you. So do a warm up and a cool down before my ride and after my ride, but I didn't do a warm up this morning, but after I did a cool down. I also do my journaling, my notes, writing my gratitude journal, my actual journal, and have my morning devotion. Sometimes I do it before my workout. It depends on how tired I am, and then I do it immediately after while my hair dries before I go and take my shower. I love this book. This is what I write my morning devotion and stuff in, and then I have my planner where I plan the week or the month in, and my notepad where I do my write my to-do list of what my task for the day is. So by now my oldest is up and I normally ask her what she wants to eat because she is a picky eater. She said she wanted 1 egg and a slice of bread, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And I'm fixing some egg and cheese omelet for myself, and then I'll give my youngest an egg and a half a slice of bread too, just to make it easier for me. She eats anything, so that's a plus. So I just fix the same thing for all of us, which is easy. and done. And then I take my shower and do my little morning skincare routine. I just use that on my face twice a day, and the eye mask twice a day, and Vaseline on my lips is always a to go. And that's it. That's my simple morning routine. Here I'm using the Shea moisturizer product. I absolutely love them, and you know I'm obsessed with coconut, all things coconut. And I'm doing her hair first, and I'm gonna give her a bath and put her to bed because she woke up extremely early and she's ready for a nap. So I'm gonna get her done and situated and put her to bed. Now it's time for my oldest. She said she wanted braided beads in her hair, so that's what I'm going to do. I use mane and tail in her hair, and then the same products except for this edge control for us doing her hair. I use the same exact product, and this is what she wanted, and that's what she got, so that's it. For her family time this Sunday, we went to Imagination Stage. So if you are from the DMV area, definitely check them out. They're at 4908 Avenue in Bethesda. Definitely go and check them out. This was their family Sunday fun day with a you and me class. The girls enjoyed it, and they have tons more to offer, from theater, dancing, you name it, performing arts. Something the entire family can enjoy. So again, definitely go ahead and check them out. I leave their info in the description box. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed week, y'all. I love y'all.